Traditionally, we're using the same processes in manufacturing that we've used throughout history. And now we have the ability with digital techniques and AI and human augmentation to build them faster and to build them more effectively and more sustainably.
As the name implies, Center for Digital and Human-Augmented Manufacturing, here we are to marry two major concepts. One is leveraging human capacity, and the other one is leveraging and using digital technology to advance manufacturing innovation.
In a lot of automation, we think of eliminating the people or the worker, but one thing that we're trying to do here is to actually elevate them to the level that I think they can work in a collaborative way with the robots, with the machines, and that's what I think the inspirations about this is like. They both improve themselves, like both robots can improve themselves from learning from the human behavior. At the same time, humans can improve themselves by looking at the robots and seeing how this automated machine is actually interacting.
One of the great resources here is that we have the ability to directly link into our high-performance computer. When you take the AI-enabled cameras and the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connected devices and the integration of that data, and you combine that with our supercomputer, what we're able to produce as a product is a digital twin. And the digital twin is industrially relevant and sought after by researchers and industry alike.
So our mission is basically try to create an ecosystem and infrastructure so that industry and traditional academia can work together to drive meaningful changes to shape the future of manufacturing innovation.
Collaboration with industry is going to be a hallmark of this center.
So as you see that there are cages, there are cubicles that are shared and also can be rented or can be owned. But the concept here is that you don't own it forever.
Each of these cells are or will be sponsored by some companies. In the meantime, the cells would be operated by the students who are supervised by some faculty. So we are hoping that creating this triangle of students, faculty labs that are researched by, and the infrastructure and the cells provided by the CDHAM create a catalyst to pull these two ideas closer to each other, industry-based research and academic-based research.
The center here has great opportunity for both students and for enterprise in that the students can perform research here using augmented reality. So with that, we see companies broadly looking at the technology, how they can bring it in efficiently for optimizations. And the center could be a great partner in how industry explores this technology.
Everybody can win, everybody can join, and everybody can teach everybody. So that's like a kitchen that you come and you may not have the recipe for that food, but you learn it from your neighbors, and your neighbors are nothing than students and faculty who share the space and the spirit of the lab.
CDHAM gives a PhD student everything that they need to do great work. On the other hand, I think this is one of the perfect opportunity for undergraduate students to get involved in important research.
I know that not a lot of people get to do that, and so I'm really happy that I can familiarize myself with research and the real workplace so that I can go apply that after I graduate.
The most exciting part for me is standing in the hallway looking through our glass doors into the open facility. I can see people at work, I see equipment, and even as a seasoned professional, I still get excited seeing the robots moving. And I think if I were a student looking through those glass doors, it would be a place that could be really inspiring and a place where I would want to go do work.
This center as a whole has given me the ability to do what I love to do. I've always had a passion for engineering, for building rockets. When I was young, I used to build drones, and my dad and I would go out and fly rockets. The fact that we're able to do this on a major scale is just really special to me, and I hope we get to do this for generations to come.